In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make columns and sections in Notion. Creating a well-organized workspace in Notion can dramatically improve how you plan, track, and find information, and columns are one of the fastest ways to make your pages feel structured and easy to scan. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Notion's website. If you're not already signed in, click the login button in the top right. You'll see several options for accessing your account. If you usually use your Google account, choosing that option is a quick, seamless way to get in. Pick your account when prompted, and Notion will take you to your dashboard or the last page you were working on. With your workspace open, head to the page or project where you want to organize content. The key to building columns and sections in Notion is learning how to reposition elements. Hover your mouse over the block you want to move until a 6-dot handle appears on the left. Click and hold those dots, then drag the block to the side. Watch for a thin, vertical blue line to appear. That line shows where a new section will be created, effectively splitting your page into two columns. Release the block when the line is in the position you want, and you'll see your page instantly become more structured. Now let's add another element to that layout. Use the same technique. Grab the next block by its dotted handle and drag it. This time look for a horizontal blue line beneath your header area. That line means the block will be placed neatly below the header while staying aligned with the column you're working in. Drop it there to keep related content grouped in a way that's easy to read. Repeat the process with the next item, but place it on the opposite side. This balances your layout and makes better use of the available space. You can continue moving items between sides to group similar information, compare content, or keep quick reference items within easy reach. As you move blocks, the blue guidelines help you place them precisely, so take a moment to line things up before you release. And that's it. You've learned how to configure columns and sections in Notion using simple drag and drop. This approach declutters your pages, surfaces the information that matters most, and helps you navigate your workspace with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Notion tips and tutorials.